If you have admin or billing permissions, Success Center is just one more way that you are able to stay in contact with our billing team to get the assistance that you need. Click on Billing Tickets on the left-hand navigation bar to view the list of billing tickets that have been submitted through your Success Center with iLand. You can see the summary, status, priority level, and date of creation at a glance. You are able to click into any of the tickets for review, but if you have one open and would like to interact with the billing team, you can click on the associated ID. Within the ticket page, you can see the contact details for the person within your organization that has opened the ticket. You are also able to see the historical communications between the iLand team and your company, and the Attachments tab will reflect any attachments that have been provided throughout the communications. You can click Add Comment at the top to respond within the ticket to our billing team. Just fill out the fields and click Submit. Additionally, if you need to add an attachment, you can do so by clicking Upload Attachment at the top. Please note, this is only an option on open billing tickets. Clicking back on Billing Tickets on the left-hand navigation bar, you are also able to open a new billing ticket by clicking New Ticket at the top. Complete the priority from the drop-down list, and fill out the subject and a detailed description of the ticket. You are able to add any necessary attachments after the ticket has been created. Click Submit, and it will be placed into the ticketing queue. A billing personnel will be in contact shortly. Should you need to view information on alternative methods of contacting the billing team, you can click on Support at the top right of the page, and a new tab will load for you to review.